Go to TikTok, open it up. We're going to make a board. Going to go to the plus sign. And let's back that up so you can see a little bit better. And then I'm going to tap on live. Then I'm going to tap on settings. Unless it's going to be kind of picky. There we go. Sometimes Masalis doesn't work. Boards. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come up here to the plus sign. And we are going to do a general, create new. And you see you can put anything you want up here. Let's do make money. Did I leave a space? Make money online. Okay? Let's say we just wanted it like that. Simple. And then we could put something like 100% profit and no degree needed. Okay, let's just leave it like that. Done. Now we're going to click save. Okay, and our board is under review right now because they review. So here's one I made before, and it might take a few minutes, but this is how you would come back in here and you would just select it. And then before you go live, let's close this. Let's close that. A set of your boards got approved. Did you guys see that? Okay, so I could come back in here. It just got approved. Boards. And then we could see it. Is this the one that I just did? Yes. Okay. So these you can drag, and these are on your live. Now, that is how you do boards. Okay. Quick and easy lesson. And they'll be there when you open up the, when you're live, when you open it up again. Okay. If you have any questions, let me know.